Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Minecraft OptiFine not working in a clear and easy way. First, make sure the OptiFine version exactly matches your Minecraft version, because mismatched versions will not load. Next, run the OptiFine installer using Java and confirm it installs successfully. Now, open the Minecraft launcher and select the OptiFine profile before launching the game. If OptiFine doesn't appear, reinstall it and restart the launcher completely. Disable other mods temporarily, since OptiFine can conflict with Forge or Fabric mods. Update your graphics drivers and ensure Windows is fully updated. If issues continue, press Windows plus R, type App Data, open Roaming, and rename the Minecraft folder to reset files. Finally, reinstall OptiFine from the official website only and launch Minecraft again. These steps usually restore OptiFine features and improve performance properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.